Today I'm going to teach you how to export Power BI report data into Excel or CSV. This is incredibly useful when you need to share specific data points with colleagues who might not have access to Power BI, or when you want to perform additional analysis in Excel. First, open your Power BI desktop application. Once it's loaded up, you'll see all your reports and visualizations laid out on your workspace. This is where you'll identify which specific data you want to export. Now click on the visual that you want to export to Excel or CSV. It's important to select the exact visual because Power BI will export only the data contained within that specific chart, table, or graph. Make sure you've clicked directly on it so it's highlighted and active. Next, look at the upper right corner of that visual or report. You'll see 3 dots appear. This is your options menu for that particular visual. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can perform. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Export Data. This option is specifically designed to extract the underlying data from your visual and prepare it for export. It's a straightforward way to get your data out of Power BI and into a more universally accessible format. A Save dialog box will now appear on your screen. Here, you need to give your file a name. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify this data later, especially if you're exporting multiple visuals. As you can see in the Save As type field, it's set to CSV file by default. CSV is a great choice because it's compatible with Excel and virtually any spreadsheet application, making it easy to share and work with across different platforms. After naming your file, click Save, and that's it. Your data will be exported immediately to the location you specified. You can now open that CSV file in Excel or any other spreadsheet program to work with your Power BI data in a more flexible environment. This export feature is perfect for creating custom reports, performing additional calculations, or simply archiving data for future reference. By extracting your Power BI visuals into CSV format, you're giving yourself and your team more options for how to analyze and present that data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.